Okay, so they are a lot cheaper here, and they have so many flavors. So definitely check out your Whole Foods. Whole Foods has a lot more. Very vanilla cashew milk. Oh my gosh. Wow, snickerdoodle. And someone told me that they love the actual, was it? Oh, they got butter pecan? Oh my gosh. Oh, no sugar added. I wonder how that tastes if it's like no sugar added. Oh wow, guys, they got a lot of different ice cream. So delicious, but this right here is so good. But I'm gonna try something else. I think I'm gonna try the Bananas Foster cashew. Oh, this one was done with oat milk. Bananas Foster cashew milk. I want to try this one. Yep, I'm gonna try this one. Oh, here go more over here. Oh my gosh, they have a lot, guys. Hope the music don't mess me up. But this one is oat milk chocolate hazelnut brownie, salted caramel, creamy vanilla bean. Oh my gosh. So I just wanted to share that. Look at all these others. Like, they have a lot of different types of ice creams with the So Delicious. So this time I'm gonna try Bananas Fosters. And I don't really like, well, I do like stuff with bananas in it, but I haven't been liking like regular bananas, eating them by themselves recently. But I'm gonna try this and we shall see. Wow, so this is a great selection. Great selection. Let me see what my daughter might want. I'm gonna have to call her so she can get on the phone and tell me which one to get for her. All right, y'all. Check out Whole Foods for the So Delicious vegan ice cream or dairy-free ice cream.